In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send birthday wishes in Mailerlite. We'll set up a simple automation that sends a warm, on-brand message every year without you lifting a finger. First, sign into your Mailerlite account. On the login page, choose the option to continue with Google, then pick the Google account you use for Mailerlite. Once you land in the dashboard, head straight to Automations. This is where all of your hands-off workflows live. Click Create to start a new workflow. From the gallery, choose the birthday wishes template. It gives you a ready-made structure so you don't have to build from scratch. Click Select Template to load it into the editor. Now set up the trigger. Choose Event Anniversary as the trigger type, select the subscriber group you want to celebrate, and pick your custom date field, typically called birthday. This trigger looks at that date for each subscriber and repeats every year. Decide when the email should go out, such as on the day itself or at a specific time, and confirm the time zone that matches your audience. Make sure your birthday field is a date field, not plain text, so the automation can calculate the anniversary correctly. Next, design the birthday is coming up email. This is a friendly heads up that the big day is near. Open the email step, choose a subject line that feels personal, and use personalization tags like the subscriber's first name to make it feel one-to-one. Keep the copy short, celebratory, and aligned with your brand voice. A small teaser, like a note that a special surprise is arriving on their birthday, can lift engagement. Then design the actual birthday message. Open the second email step and craft your main greeting. Lead with a warm headline, include a heartfelt message, and if appropriate, add an exclusive offer or freebie. Double-check your images, alt text, and mobile layout, and make sure links and buttons stand out. Clear preview text and a cheerful subject line help this message get opened. When everything looks good, test or activate the automation. Send a test email to yourself, review how personalization renders, and confirm the timing in the workflow summary. When you're satisfied, switch the automation on. From here, Mailerlite will send your birthday wishes automatically year after year, so every subscriber gets a thoughtful note right on time. If you ever need to tweak the content, you can edit the emails in this workflow while it's active, and your updates will apply to future birthdays, keeping the experience fresh and consistent. Your birthday wishes are now fully automated.